Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the copyright free content you can download from which website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Pixabay website here. So we have to search for the Pixabay. And now as you can see, simply we have to click on this icon. And as you can see, now the website will be opened here. Now you can, if you want to search for the photos, you have to write the photos, whatever. For example, I'm going to write the nature here. So let's write the nature. And as you can see, you will get the pictures related to the nature. If you want the videos, you can also do that. If you want to search the videos, you can also do that. Simply what we have to do, we have to go to the simply we have to go to this option, and then we have to search for the videos. You have to choose that what you want to search. For example, I want to search for the videos, so you have to choose the videos here, and you will get a lot of videos here. For example, I'm gonna download this video or this video, whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna click on this option, and now you will get the download option here. So we have to click on the download, and now we have to choose the resolution here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, and now we have to click on the download, and the downloading process will be started. So in this way, you can download the copyright free content from the Pixabay website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.